Hi everyone. So right now I want to go over um, my observation about the Aquarium Co-op multi-strips, multi-test strips, and Aquarium Co-op ammonia test strips. I purchased them through their website because there were some good reviews from fellow bloggers, and online it was a pretty positive experience people had. So I wanted to give those a try, and I purchased those. And what I found very quickly is that they do not produce very good results. And let me show you this. So I have a betta tank here. Uh, Snail died in this betta tank a while back, and crashed the cycle. Since the cycle was crashed, I'm doing everything that I can using the prime CSHAM prime, and I'm putting in some beneficial bacteria. But while I do this and the water changes, I often test the water because I want to know how much you know ammonia, how much nitrite, and how much nitrate is in the water, and at what point my cycle is going to be complete. So here's a demonstration of why I think that Aquarium Co-op strips don't work very well. I have a regular API test. It's a liquid test, and it's supposed to be a golden standard for testing the water. I have 2 capsules of water from this tank. What I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the directions for this liquid test first, and then we're going to compare it to the one that I get from the Aquarium Co-op test strips. So let's do ammonia first. So on the instructions, it says it's a 2-bottle test, just like the nitrate one. And it tells us to drop 8 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 drops of the solution from one bottle, and from the second bottle, the same thing. 8 drops. I like to kind of shake them a little bit. I don't know if it provides a better result or not, but that's what 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so 8 drops from there as well. What I do next is I actually like to shake them. Shake them a bit. And once I do, I leave it alone for a while. I believe it says like 5 minutes, and then it will produce the color. The same thing with nitrate test, only what I do is I put in the different bottles from the nitrate test. So bottle 1, and here it's 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops, and then I'm shaking it a little bit just to make sure that the liquid is absorbed throughout the water. And now I gotta do 10 more of the drops from bottle 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So now I'm gonna shake this a little bit and put this next to the nitrate test because it's going to take about 5 minutes for it to develop. So already over here, even though it hasn't been 5 minutes, I already see that my ammonia levels, they are 0.25 to 0.50. Let's see how it develops further. Now we'll do the test strips. Alright, so So the test strips, let me put this away. And I'm going to dip in the first test strip, which is the ammonia one. And I'm going to follow the instructions. And for 30 seconds, I'm going to dip this into the water. I'm going to do the up-down motion because that's what it says. I'm swirling it, making sure that the entire strip is in the water. My beta is really interested in this test. But I want to make sure that it's there, for the entire 30 seconds. So as you see, I'm reading it right away. Or the color chart. The color chart is over here. And it shows us that for the safe ammonia levels, it should be light green. And the strip is yellow at best. It's like whitish yellow. So that tells me that there is zero ammonia here, right? But on the API test, I already see that there is at least 0.50 ammonia level. So this is quite a big inaccuracy, just because when we deal with the fish water, aquarium water, we want the ammonia to be at 0. Now let's look at the multi-test. On the multi-test, the instructions are holding the end of the test strip, dip into the aquarium, ensuring all test pads are submerged, gently swirl for 3 seconds, and then let it sit horizontally for 60. So let's do that the same way we did it for the ammonia, following the instructions. Only 3 times this time. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to let it sit here for about 60 seconds or so, just to see if the color will change at all. Right now it's white. It's bright white. And I just want to show you that on the API liquid test, the nitrate is not bad, but it shows about 10 parts per million. And we're just going to wait another 30 seconds or so, and we're going to read the Aquarium Co-op one. So this is what I'm going to be comparing it to. The nitrate one, if it shows 0, it's supposed to be white. 10 is also, it seems like it's white. So it's very, very tough to tell. But even right now, the 60 seconds or so are up. And we can see that it shows white, right? And the API already shows at least 5 parts per million, probably around 10. So which one is showing us the wrong results? Well, the API always showed the correct ones. It's supposed to be a golden standard for measuring aquarium water, for measuring things like nitrate, nitrite, and ammonia. And at least for me, when I ordered both of these 2 bottles, received them and tested them on several different tanks, they just don't produce the results, not even close. And it's really unfortunate. So that's the end of my review. I hope you get better results, but I didn't. So I'm wondering if it's just a bad batch or something like that. I'm contacting the Aquarium Co-op team to see if, they have an idea. Thank you.